ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ कैपेसिटर. ओके, प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने देखा व्हेनेवर वी इंक्रीज द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज ऑन द स्फीयर which is placed on an insulating stand, in that case we can say that due to the increase in charge of this sphere, the electric field as well as the potential of the sphere increases simultaneously. दोनों इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे, but at one instant the electric field becomes very large so that it ionizes the air around the sphere, it ionizes the medium around the sphere, and that phenomena is known as what? Dielectric breakdown. The air around the sphere loses the property of dielectric, and the excess charge on the sphere will leak in the air. ठीक है ना बच्चों, ऐसे होगा. लेकिन in that condition, whenever we increase the charge, the E increases, V increases, and some amount of excess charge will leak in the air around the sphere. In this whole process, अब आप जितना भी चार्ज यहाँ पे प्लेस करोगे, एक्सेस चार्ज, वो सारा चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा? लीक होता जाएगा. लेकिन ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस द चार्ज बाय रेशियो बिकम्स कांस्टेंट. दिस चार्ज बाय रेशियो इज नोन एज व्हाट? कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ कैपेसिटर. So it's very simple. So we will write like this: during the increase the amount of charge on the sphere, it will leak the excess charge in the surroundings. But during this whole process, the charge by ratio, Q by V ratio, becomes constant. Very simple बच्चों, आप इजीली देख सकते हो. This constant, this Q by V ratio is known as what? Capacitance of capacitor. कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ कैपेसिटर. एकदम सिंपल सा हो गया. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय C. आप उसको C से डिनोट कर सकते हो. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. देयरफॉर C इज इक्वल्स टू Q by V, in which Q is what? Amount of charge on sphere, and V is equals to potential of sphere. ठीक है ना बच्चों, इट्स वेरी सिंपलेस्ट. द SI unit of capacitance is what? Farad, and it is denoted by capital F also. It is derived from the name of scientist, that is Faraday, and that unit is farad, and it is denoted by capital F. There are some other units. The conversion of units may be micro units. 1 microfarad is equals to 10 raised to minus 6 farad. 1 picofarad is equals to 10 raised to minus 12 farad. So there are other small units also. Another thing, the symbol of capacitor is like this. This is the circuit symbol. This is the fixed capacitor, and for variable capacitor it is denoted by like this. It will vary during the working circuit. जब कोई सर्किट वर्क कर रहा है, इन दैट केस यू कैन चेंज द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कैपेसिटर बाय यूजिंग दिस वेरिएबल कैपेसिटर. ठीक है ना बच्चों, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल सी दैट द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ स्फीयर, जो हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे एक स्फीयर बताया था. दिस वन इज अ स्फीयर. लेट अस कंसिडर इट हैज रेडियस r. An amount of charge deposited on this sphere is q. Let us consider the amount of charge deposited on this sphere is q. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे amount of charge is q and the potential of this sphere is v. So consider here the charge on capacitor, charge on sphere, this is one kind of spherical capacitor. So the charge on sphere is q and the potential of it is v. So in that case the capacitance of this sphere, will be, it's very simplest, C is equals to Q by V, and we know that the potential of this sphere can be written like this, KQ by capital R. So this one is Q and V is equal to KQ by capital R. That R goes to numerator, Q cancel out. So capacitance for this sphere is known as R by K, or another form you can write like this, C is equals to K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. K is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So जब आप ये वैल्यू पुट करोगे तो डिनोमिनेटर के डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा विच गोज टू न्यूमरेटर. सो 4 pi epsilon 0 into capital R, where R is the radius of capacitor. Here we can see that the capacitance of sphere is only depend on its radius. ठीक है ना बच्चों. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एज वेल एज वेरी सिंपलेस्ट टॉपिक. आफ्टर देन ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल सी द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. ठीक है ना बच्चों, वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. कॉपी डाउन दिस.